Come take a look at this 2008 Chevrolet Colorado. Carfax has certified this Colorado as having one owner. This Colorado has just under 49,000 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This vehicle gets 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 on the highway. This Colorado boasts a 3.7-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, MP3, leather steering wheel, driver airbag and OnStar. Call 803-407-5678 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.